I have to say that is one very satisfying knob though. Okay, so let's say you edit in Davinci Resolve and you want to edit in that software as fast as possible, and the standard keyboard and mouse that everyone has been using for, well, decades now is just not cutting it. Well, thankfully the good people at Blackmagic have a solution with this Davinci Resolve Speed Editor. Okay, here it is. Well, at least just the knob part. Oh, that is weird. Can you see how much it turns? Looking at all like the promotional images, I thought it would be like more, you know, clicky, and it would like click with every turn, but no, it's just a free fall with that thing. Anyway, here it is. Honestly, like size-wise, I had no idea what to expect with this thing. It is about as big as I expected. It's definitely way smaller than even like a 10 keyless keyboard. Now, one thing I'm definitely going to have to get used to is what exactly all of these things do. I have not started properly editing in Davinci yet. All my videos are still edited in HitFilm, but I am planning to switch over soon. Also in the box you have like a welcome thing that's just like, yeah, thank you so much for buying this, look how many people use our software. Also get like a software installation thing, you get some Blackmagic stickers, those are always good. And you get your thing for... Is this no, I was looking for that this could be the Davinci Resolve Studio, but no, it's literally just an ad for Davinci Resolve, which if you are buying this thing, odds are you already own Davinci Resolve and you're trying to just speed up your workflow even more. And it's nice to see that they are using USB Type-C to C. That's great. Okay, so now onto the actual speed editor itself. Of course, you get your kind of macros you normally use, like cut over here. But you have all these, which I'm assuming are going to be camera switches over here, seeing how the labeled cam 1 to cam 9. But one thing I don't think I like are the actual keys. They are so mushy. I don't know what kind of switches they use, but they're definitely more like linear mushy rather than anything with feedback. Construction wise, this thing is absolutely great. One thing I'm still kind of surprised by, and I don't think I'm gonna get used to, is this knob. I have to say that is one very satisfying knob though, but the issue is that I feel like I just lose track of it if it just like spins that much. I feel like when I'm just like scrubbing through my timeline or whatever, I'll just keep on losing where exactly it's supposed to be. I would prefer there's a tiny amount of like resistance or feedback or anything, but no, it's completely free, and even though it might be fun, I don't think I'll be a huge fan of it. Again, we'll see. I feel it will make my switch over to Davinci damn much better when I have all of these macros and everything here. I think it's going to be great. I'm really looking forward to using this thing already. But let me know what you think of it. Let me know what kind of stuff you want me to do with it. I'll definitely do more content on it, like reviews and whatnot. So yeah, definitely subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a complete newbie to Davinci Resolve trying to review a Davinci Resolve Speed Editor. But hey, if you're still here and you want to help support the channel, then maybe check out our merch store where you can get awesome stuff like this sweatshirt, which is super useful now that it's getting so cold outside. So that's going to be up in iCards and also down in the video description below. And also down there you can find our Patreon if you want to help support the channel that way. Even $1 singular a month truly goes a long way. And also thank my existing patrons, Gavin Burns, Ryan, AKB, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lansby, and Blackmagic Clothing. Thank you guys so much, support truly goes a long way. Then you're also going to find our Discord server if you want to talk to me or our Discord or whatever else really, plus and there's some social media links as well. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone, goodbye.